Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech with Yashwant. So if you're new here, I'm Yashwant. I work as a solutions engineer at Confluent, a former solutions engineer at Databricks, Microsoft certified trainer, and AWS community builder as well. So let us go ahead and understand the project overview. So we are going to build Career Path Navigator for job seekers. It's built completely by using a platform called PartyRock, which is a generative AI platform which is used to simplify your app development process. Some of the core functionalities of these tools include you can analyze your current professional status, understand your career aspirations, create personalized development roadmap, and you can provide detailed information for most accurate guidance as well. So the platform is really fun to use, and I'm sure that you will enjoy this project. Again, like I mentioned, this is going to be a beginner project. So if you're looking for more advanced projects, please check out my AWS project playlist, and I will be creating more such playlists for the particular role that you are applying for. Let's say you are applying for solutions architect role. So if you require some of the projects related to that role, please let me know in the comment. I'll be creating those videos and uploading it on this channel completely for free. So I'm targeting 200 likes on this video. If I hit that, the next playlist will be on AWS solutions architect related projects, and that will be out in the month of January. So if you want that to happen, please make sure to give me 200 likes on this channel and comment your expressions, right? So let's get into the project and understand more details about this one. So we are going to use AWS PartyRock, which is a fun playground offered by AWS to build applications with generative AI, and it helps you to make your own applications with AI. So you can, have a cooking based application. So for example, give all the details about the inventory that you have at the moment and ask to suggest some of the food that you can prepare using those ingredients, right? So that's how cool it is. You don't need any prior coding experience to use it, but having said that, I'm not against coding. So this is just for you to have a fun little AWS project, a beginner one, right? So with that being said, let's understand the estimated time and the cost required in order to build this one, right? So this project is estimated to take about 15 to 20 minutes maximum. So that's a high level if you want to optimize it, but you can get it done by within 5 minutes, right? And the cost is totally free for limited time. AWS offers PartyRock to all the users with a free trial. So just like AWS free trial, you can also go ahead and use this PartyRock. It is completely different from your AWS, so you don't have to worry about your AWS credits if you are already owning them, right? So now let's head over to partyrock.aws and see the demo, right? So see you there. All right, so this is how the PartyRock platform looks like. As soon as you provide your user credentials, you will land in something like this. So I've already created an application, so you are seeing that. If you do not create that, you won't be seeing any applications listed here. So the first thing that we need to do is to create an application or generate the application. So you can see a lot of options here: application, create image, analyze data, and a lot of other things as well. So let's go ahead and create one. So I'll click on generate application, and here you need to provide the prompt. For example, so let's go ahead and provide this prompt which says, I want to create a new application which is called as Career Path Navigator for job seekers, and this tool will analyze your current professional status, understand your career aspirations, and create a professional development roadmap. So please provide detailed information in each section for most accurate guidance. So this is my prompt to the system. So I'll go ahead and hit send. So it is going to create the application for you, so you can see the widgets being added. So let's give it a moment for it to run all the things, and the widgets will be ready as soon as possible. So let's wait and see what it is doing. So if you see here, it says I'll create a Career Path Navigator app for you, and this will be a comprehensive tool that helps job seekers understand their current position and create a personalized roadmap for their career development. And if you see here, it has named the application as Career Compass, and it says welcome message, welcome to our Career Path Navigator. This is AI powered tool which will help you create a personalized career development roadmap, and I'll analyze your current professional situation, understand your aspirations, and provide you with actionable steps to achieve your career goals. So please fill in the information below, and I'll create a comprehensive career advancements strategy to tailor for you, right? So it says current position. So let me say I am an infra engineer. at TCS, let's say that. And industry, I'll say cloud. And skills, I know AWS and Azure, and for example, let's say Docker as well. And I want to be a solutions architect. So this is what I have written. And challenges, understanding networks, and I have 3 months, let's say. All right, so let's go ahead and play this now. And if you see here, it is analyzing based on the details that we have submitted. It is analyzing, and it is saying career analysis, and it says thank you for sharing your career information. As your career coach, I'll help you create a structured path from your current role as an infrastructure engineer to becoming a solutions architect. It says current position assessment, strong foundation in cloud technologies, containerization knowledge, hands-on infrastructure experience with major IT company. And gap analysis, it says to become a solutions architect, you need to develop advanced networking concepts, system design principles, business and cost optimization skills, multi-cloud architecture patterns, security and compliance knowledge, client communication skills. And skill development recommendations, you need to be at least having CCNA or equivalent. And it says cloud architecture patterns, infrastructure as code, that is good, Terraform. And it says security best practices. Of course, you should also be aware of AWS well-architected framework, microservice architecture, load balancing and scaling. All of this is good. And it also says you need the following soft skills. And here it is giving you the step-by-step action plan as well. So it is dividing the entire thing into 4 quarters. And you can see year 1, you should complete these things. And year 2, you should do this. And year 3, you should do this. And it's also giving you certification recommendations, which is really cool. It says solutions architect, associate and professional, Azure solutions architect, CCNA, Terraform associate. A lot of details have been given, right? So this is how we can build a fun little project even without having a coding experience. So I just wanted to quickly share this with my viewers so that you can also go ahead and build this one, right? So it doesn't take any energy from you. So spin up Party Rock account and just provide a prompt and you'll be having an application. So let me know in the comments what applications are you creating. So you can also make this publicly available, right? So what you can do is come over here. If you want to create a copy of it, if you want to share it somewhere, you can do that as well. And if you see here, you can export this as a Word document, and you can also make this application public, right? So let's check that. If you see here, you see public, everyone can use this application, shared on the playlist. You can share this with a link. For example, if you share this link with somebody else, they can access this application. So if you want to make this public, click on make public and share it. So you will you have the URL copied. So let's go over the browser window and paste that, and you are good to use this now. So let me know in the comments if I should provide the link to this. Probably once I hit 200 likes on this video, I'll share this link as well. You can also try it out, and please don't forget to share me your public URL so that I can also try it, right? So don't worry, you can delete it after some time. It is not going to cost you anything until and unless you're scaling it to the entire world, right? So that is what I wanted to convey in this particular video. If you are liking the content that I'm creating, please consider subscribing and share it with your friends. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.